What's up guys, it's Mila at WTI and I have Runner Girls sports bra that I want to share with you because it's perfect. Not only is it super comfortable, it provides a really decent amount of support. So for those girls who want something that they can just throw on that's affordable but super cute, this is the one. As long as you size down, you should have support if you're a bigger chested gal. Now, as you can see, when I'm doing jumping jacks, there is no serious movement going on. And I love the fact that the back has a beautiful detail. You can see that it's a crisscross design and it truly does give you that extra girly appeal. The material is actually a really high quality. I feel like it's almost like a cottony swimsuit material. So it provides a good amount of stretch, but not compromising hold. It's just a great overall sports bra, and that's my point of view.